In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the crude oil futures contract, which is now down 3 straight sessions, 7 out of the last 9, and the week is now tracking so far at down 3.15%. We dropped below $75 a barrel for the first time since June 6th on the WTI futures, and today's close is the lowest since June 5th. The low today, 74.59, was down 1.61%. The high today, 75.97, was up about 0.2%. And we're back above $75 for this short period of time before the close, down about 0.9%. Since the July 5th rotational high, crude oil is now down 11.7%. And since the 2024 lows, it's down about 14.8%. Russian supply is part of the reason that there should be a floor here. Russian seaborne crude, their exports dropped to an 11-month low, shrinking supply but having no real effect on price as of yet. Russia's 4-week average crude exports dropped to the lowest levels since late August of last year, and that accounts for about 710,000 barrels a day below the recent April peak. This seems to be an attempt to improve compliance with the OPEC targets set at the OPEC Plus meeting. Remember, we've got another one of those coming up August 1st. There's also a little bit of a data hangover in crude oil. The energy use specific economic data is still hanging over the market. China's weak oil demand so far in the second half of the year is part of that, and weaker than anticipated manufacturing data and consumer spending data in the US is hurting as well. Now, the wild card would be hurricane supply disruption or something out of OPEC that we're not expecting, but we're still in the meat of the hurricane season, and as I mentioned, we've got the OPEC meeting coming up in a couple of days, so we're going to be keeping an eye on that as well.